Hi, my dear Bache. There's an important announcement made by the Board of Studies of the ICAI on 20th of January. Now, the announcement is for students. Institute has invited students to volunteer for WOFA. WOFA is the World Forum of Accountants. This is an incredible program which is being organized in Delhi by ICAI from 31st of January till 2nd February, wherein more than 6,000 accounting and financial professionals across the globe would be participating. Now, what is there for the students? सबसे पहले वो बच्चे जो सीए इंटर के लिए रजिस्टर्ड हैं, either they have cleared inter and they are in their articleship, or they are just studying for inter right now, or they are in their finals. Any of these students, that means foundation wale are not allowed, they can register for this particular event. इसके लिए you need to fill in the form which is given here. We would attach the same in our description for your ease. आप इस फॉर्म को फिल करेंगे मैक्सिमम बाय टुडे, दैट मीन्स 24 ऑफ जैन. इसको आप फिल करने के बाद इंस्टीट्यूट के तरफ से बाय 27th you are going to get a confirmation either through mail or call that whether you are selected or not. Now it completely depends on the institute. उनके हिसाब से जो उनको लगता है, at their discretion they'll be doing the selection. Once you are selected, you need to reach the prescribed address in Delhi by 30th January morning 10 a.m. 30th को basically you will be given all the training and guidance like what are your roles and responsibilities. वहाँ पे जाने के लिए जो फेयर है, वहाँ रहने का जो भी चार्जेस हैं, the accommodation that needs to be borne by the student. However, registration fees कुछ भी applicable नहीं होगी. It will be borne by ICAI. तो it is actually a quite a heavy amount. Registration थोड़ा expensive है, तो इंस्टीट्यूट ने बच्चों के लिए वॉल्टियर्स के लिए वेव कर दिया है. एंड ऑल्सो फूड फ्रॉम 31st Jan टिल 2nd Feb, दैट मीन्स 3 दिन का खाना विल बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय ICAI. ओके. नाउ इसमें बात अगर हम कब फ्री हो जाएगा बच्चा, तो 2nd February इवनिंग यू विल बी रिलीव्ड एंड यू कैन गेट बैक. अब अगर मैं कहूँ कि इज इट अ वर्दी, आई मीन a worthy thing to go there? So the answer is definitely yes. But so many people across the globe would be participating from your field. So when you listen to them, when you hear them, you get an idea about the various developments that are taking place in our field. So one, number two, you are able to interact with a lot of people. You can build your network. You can learn a lot of new things. It gives you new thoughts in your mind that where you can expand in future. So वो और उसके अलावा you get a lot of motivation also, because when we see people have reached this particular position, तो अपने को अंदर लगता है कि यार whatever I am doing on daily basis, may it be my studies or working as an article at my office, it's not wasteful. अगर मैं इसमें अपना बेस्ट देता हूँ, so I can like reach somewhere here or even at a better position. So it's going to be an amazing program. Great sessions will be organized and you will get the opportunity to learn a lot from there. अगर तुमको कोई डाउट होता है इसके रिलेशन में, तो देर आर टू नंबर्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट ऑन दीज नंबर्स एंड यू कैन गेट योर क्वेरी रिजॉल्व. एंड आपके पास वीकेंड है, तो अगर आपके लिए पॉसिबल हो पाए तो यू मस्ट गो. फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर कर दो ये. अगर वो जा सकें तो अच्छा है, ग्रुप में चले जाओ. एजुकेशनल टूर टाइप का हो जाएगा तुम्हारे लिए. लिटिल ब्रेक फ्रॉम योर रूटीन and a lot of growth, development, and insight. So, this is what I wanted to share today. 24th is the last date. Do get yourself registered if you want to. Take care. Bye bye.